People, here we come to a rocking session of ours today. A very, very warm welcome to all the beautiful people out there. How is everybody doing today? Tell me superly fine that yes, ma'am, we are doing great, we are doing awesome, we are in good health, and we are happy as ever because we at least learned this one thing from this corona pandemic situation, that health is exactly the real wealth. The richest of the richest can do anything just to be very, very sure that they do not get into this pandemic. So why not just take the things that we have and be grateful about that? So people, on that very, very, very simple and superb thought, just looking for your comments that whether you guys are keeping it healthy and you guys are happy at your home and safe. Just give me a thumbs up if you guys are doing good. Please, 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 in the comment section, I would be looking for that everybody of you are doing good today and you guys are keeping in good health. So yes, 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 awesome, super, very, 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 very good. So people, today I'm bringing, by the way, who am I? So I know you read the name, but let me just introduce myself. I love to do that. So people, my name is Bhavna and I'm your physics master teacher at Vedantu. So if, what do I have always say? If you have even this, or this much frightened from physics, do not fear because now Bhavna ma'am is here. So people, today we are going with the session number 2 of what we have already started. Yes, we have started with the topic of motion from our grade 9. So when people, we have started with motion, we have already got and talking about that what is motion. Yes, what was it? What was it? Can you just tell me in the comment section what was motion? Come on, people, can you just tell me what was motion? We have done that. We have already talked about what is motion. Yes, yes, yes. It is the movement, it is the change in position, but there were two more words I'm looking for. Yes, that is the right answer. It is the change in position with respect to time and reference point. Very, very correct, people. So when I say that body is changing its position with respect to time and a reference point, I say that the body is in motion, right? Definitely right. But then we talked about the 5 Pandavas. So do you remember those 5 Pandavas I've told you? The 5 Pandavas are distance, displacement, speed, velocity, and time, right? We have already understood the distance and displacement, and today we are going to move with the second, that is average speed and average velocity, and what is it about. So let us see whether we can be learning about this. But before we go forward, let's look backward. Backward why? बिकॉज कभी भी आगे जाने से पहले बच्चा पीछे का रास्ता पता होना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. इट्स वेरी वेरी एसेंशियल दैट वी नो आवर वे वेयर वी आर लीडिंग एंड वी नो वेयर वी हैव स्टेप फ्रॉम. That is the only way to be very, very sure we are on the right track. So people, with this, we will be doing a quick revision what we have done earlier. And before I even begin the session, let's begin with all the gratitude, all the positivity we have. And today's saying is saying something really, really important to us. What does it say? It says, forget the mistakes, remember the lessons. Now, this is something that I guess we can totally relate in the current scenario because the pandemic that hit last year, we got out of it somewhere, but we forgotten the lesson. We got too, what do you say, lazy, or let's say too like होने दो होता है तो कोई बात नहीं देखा जाएगा. We were like, this attitude just came into our life back, and that's why the pandemic also came back. So this is something that we have to realize now, that even though we made a mistake, do not pile on your mistakes, but do not miss on the lesson ever at all. So people, this is what we learned in our things that is actually going right now, and this is what we have to learn, that what we have and what we need to keep. Okay, so never keep on, यार मैंने ये गलती कर दी, shit मैं ऐसे कैसे कर सकता हूँ, कोई नहीं. It's okay, we are humans, we are made to make mistakes, but it is better to learn the lesson from the mistakes. Otherwise, there's one more very cool saying, the life repeats its lesson until we learn it. So on that note, let's repeat our last session, people. What did we do in the last class? So people, in the last class, I told you that In the last class, we have been talking about two of the parameters of motion. Now, what do you mean by parameters of motion? The parameters are simply meant that these will help us to describe motion. So, if I am talking about somebody is going, so you remember I used that song, "Main to raste se ja raha tha." So, if somebody is going on the road or on the path, what are the various ways we can explain his motion? Is he going fast? Is going in this direction, that direction? How much distance he has covered? Whatever we use to describe motion comes out to be the parameters of motion. Now, people already talking about distance and displacement. I've told you these are brothers from the another mother. Why? Because they both tell the same thing. They both talk about one thing that is called the path length. So, people, we have already talked about what do we mean by the path length and how distance and displacement being too similar, still are very, very different. So when we talked about distance and displacement, these were the two first Pandavas of our story of motion. Today, we are going to go forward with the next two Pandavas, that is called average speed and average velocity. But wait, wait, wait. I know you have already seen that slide. Oh my God, I had kept it for a surprise, but no. If you have now seen it, so let's go to that people. Who are the people who have given the right answers of the homework question in the last session, which was this? What was the question? John runs exactly 2 laps around 400-meter track. Now, nobody asked me, nobody in the question, nobody in the comment asked me, कि ma'am track कैसा है? How does the track look? Is it a circular track? Or is it like a track which is rectangular? Or is it a square track? Nobody asked me this. No worries. Because do we really care कि track circular है? Is it square? Is it rectangle? Does it matter at all? The answer to this is no. The track ka way or the shape doesn't matter because I am not even asked what is the distance. I have been only asked that if I take 2 laps. So let's say Mr. John starts from A, 1 lap, back to A, second lap, back to A. So he is back on A point. Same if he starts with point A on the rectangular, he will go and go and go rectangular 2 laps back to A. Same with the square one. So does it really matter for the displacement to even look for the path it is taking? No, we have understood that displacement is path independent. And if something is path independent, it does not matter you go around in a circle, in a rectangle, or in a square. So what will be the answer? If Mr. John goes from point A, goes around it, come back, goes one more round again and come back, the displacement will become big nil bata sannata, which is I call zero, right? It will be the biggest thing that we can ever use in our mathematics. The thing that India gave to the world, that is this big zero. And this zero answer is given by so many cool people out there. Super, my superheroes are here. Radha, you have given the answer first. Then it is Mayank, and thank you very much for that sweet, kind words, Mayank. Then it is Pooja, then Bhumika and Monisha. Congratulations, people, on being the superstar of this session. So we are beginning with the superstar. If you want your name in the in the next class, then you need to be giving the answers of today's homework session. वो कब आएगा मैम? That will come जब आज का session समझ आएगा ना boss. समझ में आएगा तभी तो मजा आएगा. So let's begin with what we have today in our bucket list. So people, I've already told you distance and displacement done. The two brothers, okay, they tell us the path length. One tells us with the direction. One doesn't care about the direction at all. So we got to know what is distance and displacement. Now, what is this speed and velocity and what is this average word doing there? Yeah? What is all this? So don't worry. We'll go step by step by step. So we have already got distance and displacement. Then we'll talk about speed, then velocity. Then we'll come to what is this average word coming here. So people, let's start with our Miss Sissy. What's Miss Sissy is doing? Miss Sissy is enjoying her life. She's enjoying the ride of her life. And somebody just came to her and asked her, hey Sissy, do you know what is speed, girl? She said, what? I am speed. That's called attitude. And you can see how much attitude she has. She's carrying it so well. So what is this speed and how can we tell about this to Miss Sissy that she is speed? So people, Let's define speed to be a very, 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 very simple thing. Do you remember that story of the kachua and the rabbit? Do you remember? If you do, give me the thumbs up in the comment section. Do you remember that kachua and rabbit had a race, and the kachua being very, very slow, he was ought to lose, but he still won. He was slow, but he still won because he was consistent. So we learned a very good lesson from there. But we learned physics also from there. Did you ever see that story from that angle? Actually, we did. So when we talk about the kachua and the rabbit, we already know that the rabbit would win. How? Because we know he is very, very fast. And we know the kachua is very, very slow. What is this slow and what is this fast, people? This is actually dependent on the speed. So what does the speed word actually denotes, people? The speed word denotes or helps us to figure out what thing is going fast and what thing is going slow, right? So let's say if I have to give one line definition to speed, what is the physical meaning of speed? I would say speed gives me the pace of motion. How fast or how slow something is moving, that is what speed tells me. So let's say मैं रास्ते से जा रही थी, भेलपुरी खा रही थी, so what is it? How fast I am going कि मुझे भेलपुरी खानी है. वैसे I am love momos, but it's okay, भेलपुरी से काम चला लेंगे. So when I'm running faster कि I want that food, then my speed is higher. And मम्मा अगर बोले कि बेटे जाओ जरा मार्केट से सामान लेकर आओ, please bring this, my pace will be so slow. My god, shit, इतना सारा काम करना है. So obviously the pace will reduce. So what is the speed? The speed denotes how fast or how slow an object is. So Miss Sissy, thank you very much for helping us out. I know and we know that you are speed now. And what is speed? It is the pace of motion. So let us just get to the definition of other words. That speed is something that we have been learning from class 6, 7 and 8. क्या होता है मैम? क्या होता है? Speed is distance upon time, right? So how much distance is covered in how much time? So if I'm covering more distance in less time, definitely my speed is faster. If I'm covering more distance in more time, then my speed will be slower. So what is this speed has to do with distance and time? Directly proportional to the distance, but inversely proportional to the time and given by the rate of motion. So here, as I've already defined speed as the pace of motion, I'm giving you one more word that is called rate of motion. At what rate the motion is happening. So speed is given by a very simple formula that is given by distance upon time. और ये हम आज से नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं, हम कब से पढ़ते हुए आ रहे हैं. We very well know this. If I ask you what is its unit, even you know that. What is the unit of distance, people? It is measured in SI unit. It is measured in meters, and your time is measured in seconds. So you have two things. When we divide meter per second, your speed will come up with the SI unit of meters per second. So it is very, very simple. What you have been learning, we have just been reinforcing the same thing. But now we know a bit more. What do we understand by speed, people? Speed tells me the pace or the rate of motion. How fast or how slow the motion is happening. Simple. So till now we have been talking about distance upon time. Till now we have been using it. But now being physicist, now being graduated into 9th standard. पता है 9th standard कितना बड़ा हो जाता है बच्चा. So when you come to 9th standard, now you will be seeing the world of physics with a new eye. You will not just see maths. You will start looking at things with the eye of a physicist. So with the eye of a physicist, speed is not distance upon time only. Speed tells you how the pace of the motion is happening. What is it? How is the rate changing? Everything comes under your speed. So we have covered about speed, right? Speed is done. Now speed sounds to be a feminine name or a masculine name. मेरे को ये थोड़ा feminine name लगता है. So let's talk about her sister now. So पहले distance and displacement were brothers from another mother, right? Now we have speed and velocity who are actually sisters from another mother, man. And that is what they are. Like distance and displacement were so related that they seem to be ekdam similar. Just one thing changed them, the direction factor. Same is it the point with speed and velocity? The answer would be a big, big yes. Speed and velocity are actually very much related. How? Because when I come to speed, it tells me how fast I am, right? What does this velocity tells me? It also tells me how fast I am, but with one more additional thing, and that additional thing is what? It is that it also comes with direction. So people, if anybody asks you speed and velocity are same, the answer would be yes, they are sisters. Yes, they are very much similar, but no, they are definitely not same. They are similar, they are related, but they are not same. तो होता है ना, हम अपने कजन से इतनी बातें करते हैं, इतनी बातें करते हैं, तो लोग कहते हैं ये तो एक ही जैसे हैं. हम एक जैसे हैं, एक नहीं है. So we have our own identity. Now, when we talk about speed, speed tell me how fast or how slow I am. But velocity comes with one more thing. It comes with how fast or slow you are in a particular direction. Now, to give you a very simple example, people, let's just talk about, we know if I talk about an aeroplane and I talk about a rocket, which one is faster? Chalo, tell me in the comment section. It's a very, very simple question. Very simple. I know you guys are rock stars, but tell me, if I give you two things, you have to travel in an aeroplane or you can travel through a rocket. So which one will you prefer? Which one is faster out there, aeroplane or rocket? Now definitely I know everybody knows this, ma'am. Rocket, ma'am. कैसी बात कर रहे हो, ma'am? ये तो पता है, ma'am. That is faster. But with rocket, there is one more thing. Do you use a rocket to commute or transport from one place to another? कि चलो यार बॉम्बे जाना है तो चलो रॉकेट में बैठ के चलते हैं. मतलब पर्सनल प्लेन छोड़ो, सीधा रॉकेट में बैठ के चलते हैं. Will it be a wise decision? I guess I would love to do that, but ये possible नहीं हो पाएगा. So ऐसा क्यों नहीं? Because we know plane flies in the horizontal. But when I talk about the rocket, I know it goes the vertical way. Why? Because it has a purpose to take the shuttles out in the space. So it cannot go down, it cannot go here, it cannot go there, it only goes upward. So what is so different here? The difference is the direction becomes very, very important. Instead of just speed, I know the rocket is faster. I definitely know that. But with the direction, it gives me more insight. जैसे displacement कर रहा था, the same way displacement was giving me more insight about the motion. The velocity also comes and takes up the charge. I will give you more information. Do not worry about it. So people, what is velocity? Velocity is the elder sister. Now again, distance and displacement, you remember now? Who's the elder one? Elder one is displacement, because though इसकी height छोटी है, the height is shorter than distance because it is always less than distance. But it gives you more information as compared to your distance because it gets you the value plus the direction. The same thing is true for the velocity. It also gives us, she is the elder sister of speed because along with speed, she gives us the direction as well. So what is velocity, people? Velocity is speed in a given direction. Now here is a perfect example. Let's say I have two Ferraris and I love red color Ferraris. So मैंने एक हथियार ली. Let's say I just take one of the Ferrari और ये भावना मैम की है. मजा आ गया, मतलब मन ही खुश हो गया आज का सेशन देकर. फरारी मिल गई यार मुझे बैठे बैठे. वाव. दूसरी कार किसको दे, किसको दे, किसको दे, किसको दे, किसको दे, किसको दे? चलो दूसरे वाले फिजिक्स सर को दे देते हैं, अनूप सर को दे देते हैं. So we both are riding these cool sexy Ferraris and we guys are moving in two different directions, right? Now we guys are moving with the same speed because it's both the Ferraris. So we both are given the same thing कि चलो भाई रेस करनी है, तुम इधर जाओ मैं इधर जाती हूँ. Let's see where we'll reach or which one is faster. Now talking about if we both are going with the same speed, then definitely it is no one is faster. We are going with the same Ferrari. We are going with the same speed. But there is one difference. What is the difference? One thing, obviously, I am driving one and the noobs are driving one. Second difference is what? I'm a girl, he's a guy. No. Not like this. But the second difference is because we both decided कि तुम इधर जाओ मैं इधर जाऊंगी, then our speed might be similar, but our velocity is definitely not. So velocity tells me the direction. Again, the displacement, please, बहुत related है. The way we have talked about displacement, that it could be positive, it could be zero, it could be negative. The same is applied to velocity. It could be positive, it could be zero, and it could be negative. The major thing is the negative sign doesn't mean that the velocity is downward. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो अंदर जा रही है, कम होती जा रही है. It only means the direction is different. So the negative sign gives me that the direction is opposite to the direction. तो भाई अनूप सर आपको बहुत पहले से पढ़ा रहे हैं, he is going in the positive direction. भावना मैम ने नेगेटिव से शुरू करा, but she'll come into positive, so no worries with that. So it is just that speed and velocity are related in such a manner, right? So directions are different, hence can we say the motion is same even though the speed is same? No, the motion is also different. तो इधर जाओ, motion totally takes a different tone. That is why velocity is more important a term as compared to the speed. समझ में आ रहा है बच्चा को कि what is speed, what is the difference, what is the similarity? Come on, give me a thumbs up, people. I need to know ना, बीच बीच में जागते रहा करो, सोते नहीं रहना है. और yes, you have your quiz waiting for you, your homework question waiting for you. So you need to learn this ना. जब तक सीखोगे नहीं तब तक कैसे क्विज में घमासान करोगे? So people, just give me a thumbs up. Yes, ma'am, we are going good. We are understanding what is speed, what is velocity. If you have any queries, please put it down in the comment section. I will be looking for it and will be coming back to you for sure. So people, this is where we stand right now. That if we are standing and we are moving in two different directions, आधे इधर जाओ, आधे इधर जाओ. So the directions are actually two different motions being referred to. So here we come to speed. And here we come to velocity. Now, if I can tell you, ठीक है, एक personal story, एकदम मजेदार story सुनाऊं, बहुत awesome story है, and I love to tell this story, people. Now, what is this story? I told you about what is distance, right? I have already told you what is distance, people. Distance is defined as the total path length, right? Right, people, right or wrong? Second, I made you learn what is displacement. Now, displacement was the distance with a direction. So, it is given as net path length, right? The two were different because one was a scalar, the other was a vector. What do you mean by scalar? Scalar means only the magnitude is mattering, and displacement being a vector, both the direction and the value matters. Okay. Let's bring in the two other girls we have. Who are the two? These are brothers from another mother. Now we have two sisters here. What are those names? What's their name? The name being speed, which is the pace of motion, right? How fast or how slow something is going. And we have velocity, which is what? It is telling me the same pace of motion, but with in a particular direction. Right? Pace of motion in a direction. Now, if I have all these people, let's just look at something very, very clearly here says that speed must be a scalar and the velocity must be a vector. Now, let's see, there are two brothers, there are two sisters. They both are very, very closely related because they both are related to one thing that is called motion. They both are parameters of motion and these both are also. Now, what is the cool thing? The cool thing is that I love to do this. I really love to do this, people. When I say speed, it is pace of motion. It is given by distance upon time. So, मेरे को बड़ा मजा आता है इनकी शादी कराने में. पता नहीं क्यों मुझे बड़ा मजा आता है. I always say this कि let's just consider this, that speed being a scalar got interested in distance and they got married. So, speed is given by distance upon time. Now, being velocity, being a vector and very, very particular about the direction, so does its displacement. They will click or not. The answer to this is yes, definitely they click. And as my speed got married to distance and speed becomes equal to distance upon time, the same thing happens with my velocity. My velocity being so particular about direction, it's being compatible, right? So displacement is also being very particular about the direction. Hence, what we got, people? We got that the speed is given by distance upon time, whereas the velocity is given by displacement upon time. So we got two scalars getting married to each other and two vectors getting married to each other. Speed marries distance and the velocity marries displacement. That is how we come to this point that the quantity that specify both speed and direction is the velocity, and hence I call it a vector quantity. But being the elder sister of speed, the unit remains same because displacement being the elder brother of distance, the unit remains same, that is meters. So this gives me meter per second. That is the unit of time and your displacement, and hence the SI unit of speed and velocity. Both are sharing because sisters from another mother, man, they are so close. ये तो कर ही सकता है, जैसे चाचा का बच्चा हो तो नाम सरनेम सेम होता है ना, सेम चीज है बच्चे, सेम सीन है, एकदम सेम सीन है यहाँ पर. So we got to know distance, we got to know displacement, we got to know speed, we got to know velocity. ठीक है, अब ये शादी वाली चीज ना किसी को बतानी नहीं है, सीक्रेट है. इट्स अ वेल सेड सीक्रेट. अब तो मैम ने यूट्यूब पे भी बोल दिया, बट फिर भी ओके. सो वी कम टू दिस पॉइंट. नाउ वी कम टू शादी के बाद क्या होते हैं बच्चे, राइट? सो देयर आर टू किड्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट हियर. वन इज कॉल्ड यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. Now, who is this uniform motion? Uniform motion is the kid of speed and distance who says that whatever you say, Mama, Papa, I will be doing that. That means very innocent बच्चा, very. मम्मा ने बोला जो जाओ शर्मा अंकल की शॉप से चीनी लेके गो, स्ट्रेट गया, स्ट्रेट आया. मम्मा कैन मैच और वॉच विद दैट गाय. क्यों? बिकॉज ही इज वेरी वेरी सिंसियर. जितना टाइम में गया उतने टाइम में वापस आया. सो यूनिफॉर्म. नाउ व्हाट इज यूनिफॉर्म इन दिस सिनेरियो? इफ आई हैव टू गिव अ फिजिकल डेफिनेशन टू इट, it means if I am riding that Ferrari, you remember my Ferrari, not Anoop sir wala, my Ferrari. So if I am going and traveling equal distance and equal time, how I am traveling equal distance and equal time here, students? So let's see there. I am traveling in 2 seconds, first 4 meters, right? Then in next 2 seconds, 8 minus 4 again 4 meters. Next 2 seconds, 12 minus 8 again 4 meters. And next 2 seconds, 16 minus 12 another 4 meters, right? So if this is 4 meters in each of the 2 seconds, if I am traveling equal distance, equal time, then I am said to be a uniform bacha. And how many of you are uniform? जल्दी से सच सच बताना मुझे comment section में. तुम्हें सच्ची में बताना है, are you the uniform बच्चा? मम्मी जैसे बोलती है जितना बोलती है उतना ही करते हो? डेफिनेटली नॉट. आई नो नहीं होगी. अरे एक दो बच्चे हैं, क्या बात है. मैं बताती हूँ मैं कौन सा बच्चा हूँ. आई एम टिपिकली अ नॉन यूनिफॉर्म बच्चा. नो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय नॉन यूनिफॉर्म? मम्मी ने बोला हाँ जो शर्मा जी के अंकल की शॉप से चीनी लेकर आओ, आई डेफिनेटली डू इट मम्मा, आई एम वेरी वेरी नाइस. बट व्हाइल आई गो, I'll stop over in between many places. So let's say first मैं अपनी friend से hi बोलूंगी, और how's up, what's going on, is everything good, did you see the lecture on YouTube, और मैं डाल दूं ऐसे करके बात कर. उसके बाद उसको साथ लिया, थोड़ी सी विंडो शॉपिंग कर ली, let's go for some window shopping, oh this is so nice, let's buy this. Then I'll go to Sharma uncle shop, then I'll talk to him also for some time, then I'll think chalo come back slowly steadily going here, dropping my friend and coming back, right? So what is happening people? In every 2 seconds, the distance which has been covered, now this is whose car? This is Anoop sir car. So ऐसा नहीं Anoop sir भी बहुत बोले हैं, मैं भी नहीं हूँ, वो भी नहीं है, ठीक है? So 0 to 1, it is 2 seconds में, it is just 1 meter. Then in the next 2 seconds, it is 9 meters. So पहले मैं अपनी friend के घर गई, रुकी. Then we traveled for fastly where? Because we have to go for window shopping, man. And this next 2 seconds, we went to Sharma uncle's shop. That is 25 minus 10. That is 15 meters. Why? Because याद आया, मम्मा ने बुलाया है. Oh my God, I'm getting late. So we have to rush back. So what is happening? Equal interval time, but equal distance? ना भाई ना, हमसे ना हो पाएगा. So actually what is happening people? The car is covering unequal distance and equal interval of time. And this kind of motion, which is me kind of motion, it is called non-uniform motion. And this is definitely related to speed. So people, if I just tell you covering equal distance and equal time, that means I am going with a constant speed. Yes or no? Tell me yes or no in the comment section. If I'm saying I'm covering equal distance with equal time, so whenever I'm going to calculate my speed, so let's just calculate the speed here. In the first 2 seconds, it is 4 meter upon 2 seconds, which is nothing but 2 meter per second. In the next one, it is again 2 meter per second. In the next one, it is again 2 meter per second. And then the next one, it is again 2 meter per second. So I'm going with a constant speed, right? I can even call this with one another name, which is also called what? The uniform speed. So uniform motion means a vehicle or an object is going with uniform speed. On the contrary, non-uniform motion also refers to non-uniform speed, because the speed is changing at each interval. So in first it was 1 upon 2.5 meter per second. In the second 9 upon 2, 4 upon 4.5 meter per second. And in the third it became what? 7.5 meter per second. It is not equal, it is not same, it is not constant, hence it is non-uniform speed. समझ में आया बच्चा पार्टी को? Yes or no? Give me that thumbs up. Yes or no? I really need to know बच्चा पार्टी, because this is something that we have to be on the same page. मैं बड़बड़ कर ही जाऊंगी, आपको समझ नहीं आएगा तो क्या फायदा, और समझ नहीं आएगा तो मजा तो बिल्कुल नहीं आएगा बॉस, एंड ये तो बिल्कुल बिल्कुल नहीं करना, ठीक है? So tell me if you're getting it. Give me that thumbs up in the comment section and in the like button. लाइक कौन दबाएगा? मैं दबाऊंगी? नहीं, आप दबाओगे. मैं तो दबाई दूंगी, आपको भी दबाना है. Okay, so people, we have already understood something, and the two things that I've already told you, it is written right in front of you. In uniform motion, the speed is constant, whereas in non-uniform motion, the speed is varying. So how will I figure out speed in non-uniform motion? Let's bring in the next one. The next hero that we are bringing in the story is the average speed. Now, why do we talk about average speed? So let's just take a very nice example. Let's say I am traveling from Delhi to Dehradun. Okay, so let's say I am in Delhi and I have to travel to Dehradun, right? Now I'm saying that I took my car out. Okay, I took, and I know how to drive. Okay, do not judge, I know. So let's say I just take my car out and I started riding my car, and what is it? My speed was initially 20 meters per second. Okay, very low. Actually, not even meter per second. Let's just do this. Let's just change this. Even the color, I guess I need to change. एक second बचा पार्टी. दूसरा color कौन सा ले? Blue लेते हैं, blue लेते हैं. Okay. So let's say I started my journey from this point, and my speed when I started was, even this color is not very pretty. कौन सा color ले यार? कौन सा color ले? मुझे तो समझ नहीं आ रहा है. ये वाला color चलेगा क्या? ये चलेगा क्या? नहीं मैम, ये भी नहीं चलेगा. फिर कौन सा चलाए? कौन सा चलाए? लेट्स जस्ट पिक ऑन अ गुड कलर ना, ताकि आप सबको विजिबल हो. अरे याद आ गया, दिस इज ऑल्सो अ कलर. Let's pick this. So let's say I started my journey with 20 kmph. Okay, so this was my speed when I started. Obviously, you know Delhi traffic, man. You know how much it is. So let's say मैं धीरे धीरे खिसक खिसक के 30 तक पहुंची. Then I hit the highway. फिर तो आप टेंशन मत लो भावना मैम की. भावना मैम इज गोइंग टू राइड वेरी फास्ट. सो लेट्स से व्हेन आई हिट द हाईवे, सीधा मैंने एक्सीलरेटर पे पैर दबाया एंड आई गॉट 60 kmph, देन 80 kmph, देन आई रीच्ड 90 kmph. ओ ओ ओ, विल यू से स्टॉप मैम? नहीं यार, 100 तक रीच करते हैं. लेट्स से मैंने 100 भी कर दिया. अब थोड़ा सा थम जाते हैं. सो लेट्स जस्ट टेक सम हॉल्ट हियर एट द मैकडॉनल्ड्स. Right? So if you have ever been on the journey of Delhi to Dehradun, or if you know, there is a midway where which we have McDonald's, and that was one place where we already always, at least me as a family, always has to have some food there. So McDonald's पे रुके तो obviously speed then down to 0 kilometer per hour. Then again we started the ride, then it again started with 60, 40, 50. Let's say we reached the house at 60 kmph, right? Now the point is, when I reach Dehradun, I know I will be scolded very badly that how fast did you drive? जल्दी से आके बताओ तुम कितना ड्राइव फास्ट करके आई हो, because we know you ride very fast. अब मैंने अगर सच बता दिया तो क्या होगा? पिटाई. क्यों? Because 100 किलोमीटर पर आवर. कहाँ गई सेफ्टी? अब कैसे बताओ? मतलब ठीक है, तो मैंने थोड़ा सा ट्रिक कर. What is the trick? I was definitely not having uniform motion. Were I having uniform motion? Can you tell me? The speed was varying at all the points. So definitely this is not a case of uniform motion. This is a case of non-uniform motion. So what I can do, I'll use my knowledge of physics. So I know Delhi to Dehradun, it is approximately how much? Delhi to Dehradun, it is approximately 250 kilometers. And let's say I drove with whatever speed, the time which I take was around 5 hours. So people, what can I do? Speed is distance upon time. This is also distance. This is also distance. This is also time. Can I not use this distance and time? Definitely I can use, and that is where I will win. So what I do, I use this formula. I divide total distance upon total time, and in that case my speed will come out to be very simply 250 upon 5, which is 50 kilometer per hour. Oh my god, this is so good. I only rode at 50 kilometer per hour. Yes, इसके बाद मेरी पिटाई नहीं होगी, and I will be super safe there. So people, yes, I ride at 50 kilometer per hour. Thank you very much. I will not be bitten at all. Now what did I do? I used a trick. What is this trick? The trick is, obviously I had varied speed. So I could not go with ki, nahi, I rode at 100. That was also a wrong answer. So what I did, in a motion which is not uniform, we can use a term which is called average speed. Now, what is average speed, people? Average speed is given as total distance covered by total time. So you do not have to worry how much you varied your speed, but in how much time you're covering, how much distance will give you the total distance upon total time. Now, when I talk about average velocity, it is also same. It is married with displacement. So distance out, displacement in. So average velocity tells me the total displacement upon total time. Did you get this? Did you get this, people? Because if you got this, then only we are going to go to the next slide, which is the quiz time. And I know you wait eagerly for this. So please मुझे जल्दी से thumbs up दे दो that yes ma'am, we are super ready, we are super excited, and then only we are going to start with the quiz. So people, how is the Josh? Come on, come on, come on, give me that high. Yes ma'am, super high. Yes, yes, yes. तो जोश आया तो ठीक है, बस पहले अपने हथियार तैयार रखना. Which is your हथियार? Your हथियार is meant by your pen and paper. Be ready. Physics cannot be done just in your mind. A pen and paper can be very, very handy and a very, very useful thing while you do any of the physics problem. So people, हथियार तैयार है? Everybody ready? Your guns loaded? Ready to shoot? Let's see the very first question. Can we answer this question right or wrong? The first question here asks me the ratio of the speed or the magnitude of velocity when the body is moving in one direction is what? The ratio of the speed to the magnitude of velocity. So we have to tell how speed and velocity are related. So when I'm saying speed divided by velocity when they are moving in one particular direction, will it be less than 1? Will it be greater than 1? Will it be equal to 1 or will it be greater than or equal to 1? Now people, I told you who's married to whom. If you remember this, we have done even in the previous session. What happens with distance and displacement? When they are equal, if they are equal, if they are not, what is, who's greater, who's elder, who's bigger in height? You need to remember everything. तो मैंने बहुत सारी बातें बोल दी, अब confuse भी कर दिया है. But I want you to pick up the right point of information. I have given you the right information with the extra information. सही से आंसर दे दूंगी तो मैं ही ना कर लूं quiz. So it's better you need to find the right answer. Let's see कितने बच्चे comment section में सही आंसर दे रहे हैं. Is it 1? Is it 2? Is it 3? Is it 4? So सारे options आ रहे हैं. हाँ, कोई option छूट नहीं जाना चाहिए. अगर 100 भी लिखा होगा ना तो 100 option भी आ जाएगा. चलो चलो 1 भी है, 2 भी है, 3 भी है, 4 भी है. सारे आंसर सही है. चलो फिर देख ही लेते हैं यार कौन सा आंसर ठीक है. The question answer is telling me when an object is moving along a straight line, you know what na, you know distance being displacement का बड़ा भाई become equal because they are moving in a straight line. So let's take an example. If Changu is moving from A to B, my distance become equal to displacement, right? Now if distance is married to speed and displacement is married to velocity, तो बेचारे अगर भाई इक्वल हो गए हैं तो इन दोनों को भी इक्वल होना पड़ेगा. So speed also becomes equal to velocity. So what is the right answer, bachawadi? If the motion is in a straight line, then they become equal. The two sisters become same only in one condition, when they are moving in straight line. वरना तुम इधर जाओ मैं इधर जाऊंगी, right? This is your first question, people. Let's see the sixth question. क्या हम इसको रॉक करेंगे? The rate of change of displacement. Oh my God, this is so easy. What is the right answer? क्या right answer है इसका? Rate of change of displacement क्या कहता है? Is it speed? It is deceleration? Is it acceleration or velocity? Now, people, I know you know this answer, so I'm not going to give you much of the time reading your comment in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, let's see. अरे क्या बात है बच्चा पार्टी. Yes मैम, ये तो अच्छे से पता है. ठीक है, ये एक दो बीच में गड़बड़े हो रही है, but कोई नहीं. I can see that most of you have got to the right answer. The right answer is velocity. Very, 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 very well done. The rate of change of motion. The rate of motion is speed. Then the rate of displacement, the change of displacement is velocity. Superb, kids. Let's go to the next question. An object travels 40 meters in 5 seconds. Okay, an object travels 40 meters in 5 seconds and 80 meters in 5 seconds. That is what? there are two distances. So people, there's a tip coming up right here. We have to find out average speed here, right? What is the question asking? If a person or an object is traveling 40 meter in 5 seconds and another 80 meter in 5 seconds, then what is the average speed? So people always draw a diagram. So let's just say an object has to go from A to C, and while going to A to C, there is a point B which is 40 meters and the next is 80 meters, right? This is what it is given. It is covering in 5 seconds each. Now what you need to understand here, students, you have the distances, you have the time. How do you find the average speed? किसी को याद है? किसी को याद है formula क्या था? The formula was, yes, it was total distance upon total time. So can you figure out the total distance and total time? So easy यार मैम, so easy. इतने easy questions क्यों देते हो आप? But मैं easy नहीं देती बच्चा पार्टी. You guys are super smart. So when you understand a concept, you become super duper smart. So everything becomes super easy for you. So what is the right answer for this? An object travels 40 meter in 5 seconds and next 80 meter in 5 seconds. What is the average speed? Is it 12? Is it 6? Is it 2? Or is it 0? Okay, 0 भी हो सकता है क्या? क्या speed 0 हो सकती है? हो सकती है, but then the body should not be moving at all. But यहाँ तो body is moving, so 0 तो गया out. What is the right answer? Yes. Very well done. चलो ऐसा करते हैं, solution के बाद answer पे जाते हैं. So what is the solution here? The formula is the very first thing. What is average speed, people? It is given by total distance upon total time. My total distance now going from A to C. From B, it was 40 meter and 80 meter in 5 seconds each. So my total distance becomes the sum of these. 40 plus 80 is nothing but 120. What is 5 plus 5? It is 10. So 120 by 5 is the right answer, is right in front of you. It is 12 meter per second. So A is the right answer. That is the number 1. Super people, you guys are doing rocking. Let's go with the next question and let's see. Okay. बड़ा सा question, देख के डरना नहीं है, भागना नहीं है. Let's see what is given. 4 points A, B, C, D lie on a straight line. Okay, so let's just draw this. Now let's just draw this. I have a straight line. This is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Let's say this. Now A to B is 15 meters of distance. Okay, the distance between B to C is 30 meters of distance. And the distance between C to D is 25 meters of distance. A person is traveling from A to B in 10 seconds. Okay. Then B to C in 15 seconds. Okay. Then C to D in another 10 seconds. Okay. So definitely a big non-uniform motion. But if we have to find the average velocity, what we have to do? The net displacement, the total displacement we have been talking about upon the total time. So average speed to average velocity just changes in one thing, that the total distance takes the place from total displacement this time. So people, let's see, can you give me the right answer of this question? Can you tell me how much is the total displacement and then divided by the total time? Let me give you, कितना time चाहिए? 30 seconds? चलो 30 seconds है आपके पास. Okay मैम, नहीं चाहिए 30 seconds. See, we are giving all the answers already. So I can see 5, I can see 2.5, I can see 2, I can see even 1.5. यार ऐसे कैसे कर लेते हो आप लोग? How can you give me all the answers? चलो ठीक है, सबसे ज्यादा किसके लिए आ रहा है? आने दो. Very good. You guys are super smart. मतलब मैं क्या करूं, मैं कितनी भी कोशिश करूं, you guys, nothing is difficult for you यार. The right question was given by the average velocity is total distance traveled. No, it is given by total displacement. So when we talk about total displacement, why did I write distance only? Kyun? Because ma'am, the motion is in straight line. So doesn't matter we use distance or doesn't matter we use the term displacement, right? It will be in the straight line. So what is the right answer coming up? The average velocity is coming up. The total distance between 15 plus 30 plus 25, that is AB to BC to CD, and dividing it by the total time, that is 10 plus 15 plus 10 seconds. And your answer is 70 upon 35. Kya answer hai right? B part, ma'am. B part. We are all correct. Super. Very well done. Let's go to the last question for the day. Let's see कितने बच्चे इसको सबसे पहले करते हैं. Super fast question करेंगे. A car travels along a straight road to east 400 meters in 4 seconds. Then go to west. Now the life is different. So people, let's make it, if east is this and this is west. So let's say a car is traveling 100 meters towards east and then 50 meters towards west. So this is 100 meter, this is 50 meters. First time it was taking 4 seconds. Second, it only took 1 second. Super fast. Now determine the average speed and the velocity. So people, this time the average speed and the velocity will be equal. Yes or no? The answer will be yes or no. Will this average speed and the average velocity be same? The answer will be a big no, because this time the motion is not in a straight line. He took a U-turn and came back. Hence the distance and the displacement are not equal. So the speed and velocity will also be not equal. So what is the right answer? अब इसमें एक ट्रिक क्वेश्चन होता है बहुत ही इजी सा, that you can easily do it कि let's just do one part and दूसरा अपने आप निकाल लेते हैं. But आपने टीचर्स को समझा क्या हुआ है? See, the options are also always very confusing. It is 30 10 15 10 15 5 or 10 10. What is the right answer? So let's see how many of you can get me to the right answer here. Average speed and average velocity. I'm giving you 30 seconds more to give me the right answer, and then I'm going to show you the solution of this. But पहले आपकी बारी. Let's see आप मुझे सही आंसर दे पाते हैं या नहीं. Come on people, come on. Chalo, 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 chalo. Yes. Where is the Josh, man? There is the Josh. I can see everybody is answering. I want more people to answer there. Is it 30? Is it 15? Is it 15? Is it 10 as to be average speed? Or the average velocity being 10, 10, 10 or 5? What is the right answer, people? Giving you 10 more seconds there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Time is up. बिल्कुल अब देखते हैं राइट आंसर क्या है. बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन है मैम ये तो नहीं, बिल्कुल भी बड़ा नहीं अगर आपको आता है. सो व्हेन आई सेड यू हैव टू फाइंड एवरेज स्पीड, योर पर्सन हैज गॉन 100 meters and then 50 meters back, but does speed care about it where you are traveling? No. So the speed will be total distance upon total time. The total distance will be the sum of these two, and the total time is 4 plus 1, that is 5. So your answer came out to be very simply 30 meters per second. But what about velocity? Velocity doesn't take care of distance, it takes care of displacement. किसकी शादी किससे हुई थी? Distance, speed, velocity, displacement. So what you have to do, you have to calculate the displacement, and displacement will be how much? If a person goes from A to B and then comes to C, then C is the final position, and the distance between A and C is given by 100 minus 50, which is 50 meter in the east direction. So when we put in, because direction is very important in velocity, so when we put in, people, what we are doing, we are looking at that 50 meters is covered in 5 seconds, that is 10 meters per second. That's why I said confused तो करेंगे ना मैम. So 5 वाला आंसर तो था ही नहीं, 10 वाला था, आपको सही स्पीड निकालनी थी. Right answer is given by 30 meters per second to be the average speed, and 10 meter per second to be the average velocity. And here 1 is the right answer. तो बच्चावाड़ी, सीखने में ऐसे ही मजा आता है. गलतियां नहीं करेंगे तो सीखेंगे कैसे? तो कभी भी गलतियों से भागना नहीं है. Never get scared of your mistakes. Be always ready. And talk about our John. So now John is graduated. He is not just giving us motion and displacement wala question. He is also giving us average speed wala question. Will we be able to do it? Array, definitely. I know you guys are rock star. So people, let's say John drove for 3 hours at a rate of 50 kmph. Now people, I'm going to give you a very good insight of this question. थोड़ा सा तो टेढ़ा क्वेश्चन है, घी निकालने के लिए उंगली टेढ़ी करनी पड़ेगी. What is this question? John is traveling. So people, diagram. So let's say John is, I'm so sorry. Let's say John is moving from point A to point C, and there is a point B in between. Now John is driving for 3 hours. At what speed? At 50 kmph. And he is driving for next 2 hours at 60 kmph. Now what will be the average speed? Now you will say, ma'am, ये तो आपने करा नहीं, cheating. बिल्कुल cheating नहीं है. I'm giving you a complete hint there. People, do not fall into the trap that you have two velocities divided by 2 and you will get the average. No, a big no. What you need to remember, what is your formula for average speed? Your average speed is given by total distance upon total time. Now I know the distance is not given, but it is hidden. It is hidden in the given question. So do not fall in the trap of the speed. find out your distance for A to B and B to C, and then try to solve it. And on that hint, I'm going to leave you with this awesome question here that is going to make you at least khujafy your sir, and that is why we will learn more ना. तभी तो ज्यादा सीखेंगे जब चैलेंज करेंगे. सो टेंशन नहीं लेने का, नेक्स्ट क्लास में मैं बिल्कुल बता दूंगी अगर नहीं सॉल्व हुआ, बट ट्राई and that is more important. Your effort is more important to get to the right answer. गलत भी हुआ कोई नहीं, ट्राई तो करो ना बॉस. So please give me the answer in the comment section. I will be looking for my superstars in the comment section for the next class. Thank you very much for today's class, people. It was lovely teaching you guys. If you like the session, please hit the like button, and yes, share it with your friends, because that is the kind of support you can show to us. And yeah, if you press on the bell icon, you know that you being a subscriber, if you are not, पहले सब्सक्राइब बटन पे डिपेंड करना है. सो इफ यू सब्सक्राइब एंड प्रेस ऑन द बेल आइकन, you will get all the notification. If you have not subscribed yet, press on the subscribe button first. Thank you very much for a lovely time. Please take care. Have a great day ahead. Keep smiling, people. Keep rocking and keep learning. Take care. Bye bye.